Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 15 to 21, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Capricorn, let's see what's coming to you. Wow, abundance. Look at that. So, itong week na to, maganda yung takbo ng negosyo, ng trabaho, ng income mo, yung mga resources mo, nami-meet mo yung needs ng iyong family or ng needs mo. So, may abundance flowing into your life. So, maaring you are also manifesting abundance in your life. So, continuous mo lang yung manifestation at the same time, taking action doon sa mga gusto mong i-manifest. Because they go hand in hand. O, diba? Take action. So, manifestation requires action. Yes. Kung gusto mong maging sikat na artista, o di syempre, you have to expose yourself. Mag-enroll ka sa mga acting classes, mag-audition ka, di ba? Ganon. Let's see, ano pa? Learning, yes. You are also learning new things para mas lalo mong mapaunlad yung sarili mo. Maaring merong training, may mga bago kang knowledge, kaalaman na magigain ngayong week na to from training, from mentoring, or just by researching on your own. Okay? So, maganda yan for your business, for your career. And I see you exploring other opportunities to earn money. Kaya may mga pinag-aaralan ka ngayon na pwedeng magdagdag ng iyong source of income. Your overall energy is the Three of Swords. Oh, merong pinanggagalingan na pain. Why? Clarify natin to. What is this Three of Swords? Baka meron sa inyong na-disappoint about a situation, no? Can be sa relationship, sa career, sa business mo. Tingnan natin, ano tong area of life na merong disappointment? Fourth house, o sa family. Maaring disappointment sa parents, disappointment sa family members. Fourth house is also about your home life, your family life. So, pwedeng merong mga goals ka sa bahay na hindi mo na-achieve. So, it's making you feel disappointed. What is the Three of Swords? Uy, Nine of Cups. Clarify siya ng Nine of Cups. So, as an overall energy, I feel like you will recover easily from this disappointment. Kasi kumbaga babawi ang universe sa'yo na okay, may disappointment ka. So, ito, ibibigay ko sa'yo itong isang gusto mo or itong wini-wish mo. Kaya rin may abundance dito. Okay? So, let us see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Capricorn? What's the challenge? The Hierophant. So, yung iba, maaring may challenge kayo sa inyong relationship, especially marriage. Yung iba naman, maaring magkaroon ng challenging situation sa authority, no? Yung tipong boss mo or someone na nakakataas-taas sa'yo, no? Merong authority over you, can be parents as well. Kaya meron ditong merong Three of Swords energy, which is about disappointments, heartache. But I think kaya mo siyang i-handle, no? Ito yung tipong kahit na meron kang pinagdadaanan na personal issues, kaya mo pa ring ngumiti, kaya mo pa ring mag-show up. Oo. So, let's see your opportunity. You have the Six of Swords, yes. As an opportunity, you are moving on, you are moving forward. Merong may mga misunderstanding, conflict na pinanggalingan ka na you are walking away from that. Maaring na-realize mo na kung sino yung may mali, sino yung may kakulangan. And at the same time, you are moving on, no? Hindi mo na siya dinidibdib. I think that is also part of the wish fulfillment na yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na mag-move on agad-agad. Your blessing is the Seven of Wands. So this time, mas maingat ka sa sarili mo, mas maingat ka sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, yung mga hahayaan mong pumasok sa buhay mo. Oo, so be careful din sa mga taong bumabalik from your past kasi pwedeng, alam mo na, bumalik ulit yung pain from the past, kaya nga sila nawala sa buhay mo for some reasons is because maaring kinut off mo sila sa buhay mo or there are some issues, misunderstanding, conflict, no? So ngayon, you are setting your boundaries. And kapag nagsiset ka ng boundaries, this is your way of protecting yourself. And being protected is a blessing. Okay? So maari ring meron ka ngayong protection from your spirit guides, from your angels, from your ancestors. So that is also a blessing para sa'yo. And I also see someone na merong ng lakas ng loob na tumanggi, no? Lalo na kung may mga tao na nagtatry na mag-take advantage of your kindness, na yung tipong laging may hinihinging pabor sa'yo, pero pag wala, hindi mo sila mahagilap, hindi ka makahingi ng tulong sa kanila. So I feel like you are going to set that boundary. You also have Mercury in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Discovery. Some of you travel opportunities because 9th house is about foreign land, foreign country. May communication din dito, so pwedeng yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng connections, friendships na long distance or nasa ibang bansa. Some of you learning opportunities din to. So kaya yung iba pwedeng meron kayong exploration, no, with this card na learning from your training, from your seminar, at kung ano-ano pa na gusto mong alamin. You also have Venus in Libra in the 7th house. Meron dito na hindi siya sigurado sa totoo niyang nararamdaman sa isang person. So, indecisive siya. Maaring meron ditong attraction, pero hindi sigurado if willing na mag-commit. Oo, yes, may attraction, pero walang balak makipag-commit, ganon. Yung parang crush lang. 'Di ba? Kung ayaw naman, bakit mo pipilitin, 'di ba? At kung ayaw mo, hindi ka dapat pilitin. Hindi naman porket may crush, may attraction, commitment agad, 'di ba? Yung iba naman, pagdating sa trabaho, career, or business na decision ninyo, meron kayong hindi sigurado kung ano yung ipupurso nyo. Magre-resign na ba kayo? Pupurso nyo yung business nyo? Or magtatrabaho na ba kayo at i-close yung business nyo? Or magdadagdag kayo ng bagong source of income? So, medyo undecided. You have the Sun in Aries in the 1st house. Assertion. So, ito yung pagkakaroon mo ng confidence, lakas ng loob, na harapin ang mga pagsubok kahit mag-isa ka lang. Kasi kaya mo. Okay? This is also being more aggressive in a way na aggressive ka na ma-fulfill yung goals mo, na hindi ka maghihintay ng taong magsisave sa'yo kasi ikaw alam mo sa sarili mo that you can save yourself. 'Di ba? Kumbaga palaban ka. You know what you want and you are going after what you want. Maaring meron ka mga sisimulan ngayon na pag maglalakas loob ka na subukan. Yung iba kahit na hindi pa kayo sigurado sa decision ninyo, parang gagawin nyo na lang just to see kung ano yung magiging epekto nun sa inyo. So, Hero. Someone is willing to help you from this stressful situation. So, kung meron man kayong kailangan pagdesisyonan or merong problema sa pera, sa trabaho, sa career nyo, merong taong willing to help you. All you need to do is to ask. Ask and you shall receive. 'Di ba? sa relationship o merong nagsustalk sa'yo. This can be a person from the past or someone na may interest sa'yo. Like what I mentioned kanina, may attraction pero hindi siya sure sa kanyang totoong nararamdaman. But this person is getting to know you behind your back. So, kumbaga, nire-research ka, in-stalk yung mga social media mo, inaalam niya yung mga nangyari sa'yo sa past, yung mga post mo in the past, just to get to know a part of you. Okay? So, pwede ring reversal ng roles. Ikaw to na may ini-stalk na tao na interesado ka, gusto mong malaman at least yung background ng person na to. So, just to get to know this person. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!